Being an inventive and in every way that really matters, exceptional token, Nexo can flaunt sort high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very well known of late. Individuals are contemplating whether it is somewhat worth putting resources into Nexo. And what's to come sort of holds for this money in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we fundamentally think it truly is a wise interest in a significant manner. Made in 2018, Nexo in every practical sense is a cryptographic money in view of the Ethereum blockchain in an unobtrusive manner. It utilizes the ERC20 fundamentally token pretty norm. Nexo flaunts especially many highlights that sort of make it really novel and an excellent interest incredibly. Here in a real sense are some of them, or so they in a real sense thought. Nexo most certainly offers moment advances to individuals who basically need to involve their digital forms of money as security, which is very critical. This for the most part implies you can in a real sense get cash against your crypto property without having to in every way that really matters, sell them. Nexo has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This gives Nexo most certainly much validity. And in every practical sense, shows that it is here to remain in an unobtrusive manner without a doubt. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation in a by and large enormous manner. This truly is a truly extraordinary method for procuring pretty recurring, automated revenue, and one reason why we especially think Nexo generally is a strong venture decision in an unobtrusive manner. The interest for moment advances involving digital currencies as security is developing. And Nexo especially is one of the conspicuous stages here. Nexo specialized examination. As per verifiable information, Nexo appears to commonly be a digital money with mooning essentially possible in a significant manner. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient pattern backing to shoot up in esteem in a fundamentally significant way explicitly. The Nexo kind of token right now just sort of has half of its really complete stock available for use incredibly. The digital money's market capitalization essentially is inside the main 100 on coin market cap, which is genuinely critical. These things highlight Nexo having positive long-haul possibilities in an unobtrusive manner. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed and especially ongoing, in the event that it basically is giving a purchase signal. The in every practical sense, latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost especially is certainly prone to ascend sooner rather than later, or so they all things considered, thought. On the off chance that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital money could go down in the next few days or hours in a genuinely huge manner. Nexo value expectation 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it certainly is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Nexo will in every practical sense be around 92 cents in an unobtrusive way. The greatest expected NEXO cost might be around $1.18, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. By and large, the exchanging cost could in every practical sense be 96 cents in 2023 amazingly. Nexo value expectation 2024 in a fundamentally enormous manner. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, NEXO basically is supposed to have the accompanying really least and extremely greatest cost, about $1.36 and $1.65. Separately, or so they by and large thought explicitly. The kind of typical expected exchanging cost sort of is $1.40 in a very large manner. Nexo value expectation 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Nexo and their vacillations during the earlier years, which is genuinely huge. It especially is expected that in 2025, the truly least NEXO cost could drop to $2, while its genuinely most extreme can in a real sense reach $2.31 in a huge manner. By and large, the exchanging cost will in every way that really matters be around $2.06 in an especially huge way. Nexo value expectation 2026, or so they thought. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying fundamentally most extreme and kind of least NEXO costs basically are normal in 2026, $3.46 and $2.97, which really is very critical. Overall, it will be exchanged at $3.05, or so they fundamentally thought. Nexo value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists explicitly are continually investigating the changes of Nexo. In view of their expectations, the assessed essentially normal NEXO cost will sort of be around $4.52, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. It could drop to an especially least of $4.39. However, it actually could generally reach $5.12 all through 2027 in an essentially large manner. Nexo Value Expectation 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. Consistently, digital currency specialists generally get ready conjectures at the cost of Nexo, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. It is assessed that NEXO will really be exchanged somewhere in the range of $6.25 and $7.72 in 2028. It's essentially normal expense, especially is normal at around $6.43 during the year. Nexo Value Expectation 2029, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Digital money investigators fundamentally are essentially prepared to report their assessments of the Nexo's cost. Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking, as a matter of fact. The year 2029 will not entirely settled by the most extreme NEXO cost of $10.75 in an especially significant manner. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $9 in an unpretentious manner. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost in every practical sense is $9.26, which basically is very huge. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Nexo cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their NEXO cost assessment to 2030, which generally is very huge. It will be exchanged for at in every practical sense, least $12.73, with the truly conceivable, truly most extreme tops at $15.47 in a kind of significant manner. By and large, you can anticipate that the NEXO cost should really be around $13.20 in 2030. Nexo Value Forecast 2031, which is genuinely critical. Digital currency investigators are somewhat prepared to, in every practical sense, report their assessments of the Nexo's value, which is very huge. The year 2031 will not set in stone by the sort of most extreme NEXO cost of $21.94. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $18.64. Thus, the normal, fundamentally normal exchanging cost is $19.17, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. What amount will Nexo be genuinely worth later on? This, in every practical sense, is difficult to sort of foresee, as everything relies upon the economic situations in long stretches of time to come. In any case, we by and large expect that Nexo generally has a lot of especially potential and could be worth very much later on, in spite of mainstream thinking. Is Nexo a wise speculation, which especially is genuinely critical? Indeed, we feel that Nexo really is a wise speculation, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. It has a ton of fundamentally exceptional highlights that, in every practical sense, make it extremely interesting to financial backers, and we sort of accept that the interest for moment credits involving digital currencies as especially guarantee will keep on filling later on in an especially significant manner. For what reason did Nexo's cost drop? The cost of Nexo, or any in every practical sense, other cryptographic money generally, is dependably likely to change and can generally go up or down whenever, as opposed to prevalent thinking. There fundamentally are really many motivations behind why a digital currency may basically have a downtrend. Similar to showcase disturbance, worldwide downturn, trade hacks, etc. Does Nexo basically have a future, which is genuinely huge? As per our Nexo cost figure and really numerous other Nexo cost